Hello, I make a Discord bot with using my own LLM model. That's name is Friday, but that LLM model was made by me. I use Python to interact the Discord server to active my bot and interact with Ollama from locally. For that, this is a response file where I use the Ollama endpoint API endpoint and my model name. Then how will it respond? And at the end, and there is the main file main.py. Then run the main.py and it automatically here Friday is now running. This is the Discord developer account where I create my bot, and this is my server where I connect that bot. Now I'm trying to ask something to my bot. This is the response. Whatever I write here, something it will reflect here, and from here it go to my Ollama model, and that will respond. Then after that it will show up there. It's take little time because of it's all are running on locally, so there is a network issue. This as an AI assistant, it's already provide the response.